What role does the Guild play in the Dune universe? How do they transport goods and people across the vastness of space? Who pilots their ships? And how do they safely cover such vast distances? After the fall of thinking machines, the Guild were part of the Great Convention, a treaty enclosing the Guild, the Great Houses and the Imperium that outlines laws to protect human life. During the reign of House Corrino, the Guild established their monopoly on the transport of goods and people around the known universe, using faster-than-light travel. The Spice Melange allows the navigator to guide the Guild highliners that move using the Holtzman effect to ensure they appear where intended, essential when travelling through the vast corridors of the universe. The Guild's weakness is also this reliance on spice. Any change in how much they receive affects their ability to transport people and goods. The Guild navigators' bodies are warped by the spice they take to fulfill their role. The Guildsman was an elongated figure, vaguely humanoid with finned feet and hugely fanned, membranous hands. His tank's vents emitted a pale orange cloud, rich with the smell of the geriatric spice melange. The Guild Highliner allows the transport of people and equipment across the Imperium, using the Holtzman engine that can fold space and time, allowing instant travel from one part of the universe to another. He ate the spice and breathed it, and no doubt drank it. The spice heightened the Guildsman's prescience, gave him the power to guide a Guild Highliner across space at translight speeds. With spice awareness, he found that line of the ship's future which avoided peril. The navigator could see the minefield presented by gravity obstacles between the starting point and target in space. Seeing possible future dangers, the navigators can plot a safe course that avoids them, and so the journey, whilst folding space, is safe. Thank you for checking out my video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for all notifications.